So this morning we're going to create a salad, something really simple, and using my favorite noodles. They are starch-free. It's perfect if you're kind of diet, you don't want to take anything which make you put on weight, or if you have diabetes, something works very well as well. The noodles are made of protein and fibers, and it's a very simple recipe I'm going to show you with a simple salad. So I've got a bit of carrots, a bit of cucumber, red cabbage, garlic, ginger, lime, and we're just putting it all together in the next few seconds. The noodles are pretty much ready on their own, so all you need to do is open the packet, and then once they're rinsed, they're pretty much ready to go straight into a bowl. I'm very greedy, so I'll do a big salad today. So I'm looking for a few fresh ingredients. Carrot, like it for the color. Just going to do a quick julienne, very simple cut. Make a julienne. Basically julienne means little strips. So I'm just going to cut it first as little square like this. And all we have to do is to cut them very thinly. But another way to do it is take a grater and just grate it. It works as well. But you relax a little bit on the bite. The fact to cut it with a knife gives me a little bit more crunch, and it's something I'm always looking for, some form of texture. There it is, just ready to go straight on my noodles. Gift of nature, one of the most beautiful vegetables I can think of. Love red cabbage. It's a very simple vegetable. It's actually reasonably cheap and it's very good for you. So just thanks to a little bit of a julienne, I'm going to cut it indirectly opposite to the fibers this way. And I keep it pretty much whole, like this. I can see the beautiful color of the cabbage. There's really no limit in what we can put inside it. Celery, here I've got some cucumber, but we can really put anything which you like. I'm not a big fan of capsicum, but capsicum will go very well on this. Something which is very important for me in my salad is the freshness. I'm going to use a little bit of coriander leaves here, just putting the coriander together and chopping the leaves. And next we're going to do a very quick dressing. So nothing really fancy. I put together a bit of garlic, a bit of ginger, crush some peanuts on it, and then the liquid part will be a touch of honey, a little bit of soy sauce, and finally sesame oil to lift everything. So fresh ginger, most of the time I like to make it very small, like little brunoise, not too much, it's quite powerful. It is about 1 teaspoon, a little bit more than that, just coming on top. Garlic is always a crush, so fresh garlic, I'll give it a good crush on it. And then again quickly mincing it. I've got some fresh peanuts. Same story, I'm just going to crush them a little bit. Back with a knife. Good. So again, it's really up to you. I imagine, green mango, green papaya, something like this will go well. I like acidity, so I think lime will be coming next. A little bit of lime juice just to be pressed on top. Here we are. That is very much part of my dressing. Tiny bit of sesame oil here. This is honey. It's a dark honey. And very tiny bit of salt, which will come under the form of soy sauce. And that's it. I'm ready to go and eat. Thank you very much.